This is one of the most delicious food in the world, braised pig trotters. Every day before opening, the boss prepares a large amount of fresh vegetables. Then these vegetables and plenty of seafood powder are packed into bags and placed in an iron pot filled with braising sauce. The sauce fully absorbs the aroma of the vegetables and then undergoes continuous steaming for 3 hours. Meanwhile, the frozen pig trotters are cleaned. Next, the trotters are placed into the iron pot, covered with a lid, and simmered for 35 minutes. After boiling vigorously for 10 minutes, the heat is reduced to low and simmered for another half hour. Then the skin of the trotters cracks open and the flavor becomes richer. Meanwhile, pickled vegetables are prepared to accompany the trotters. Because pig trotters contain a lot of fat and collagen, excessive consumption can feel greasy. Cabbage and leeks are two favorite vegetables of locals, with their crisp and sweet taste unforgettable. After a long wait, the soft and tender pig trotters are ready to eat. They are broken and placed on a plate, and through the screen, you can see how elastic and tender the trotter meat is, resembling top-quality cheese. Workers quickly put the trotters into the oven for baking, then slice the delicious trotters thinly and serve them with pickled vegetables. Fragrant and tender. Would you like to try them?